Final video to fix Microsoft Clipchamp keeps crashing on Windows 11 because this issue stops you from editing videos smoothly and wastes your time. Are you opening Clipchamp and noticing it closes unexpectedly, freezes, or crashes while editing? This problem happens when app files are corrupted, GPU acceleration conflicts, or system resources are insufficient. Sometimes outdated graphics drivers, Windows updates, or background apps also trigger crashes without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that stops Clipchamp from crashing fast. This trick works because it repairs app files, resets settings, and ensures proper system compatibility instead of changing random files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky tweaks, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows 11 systems. After this, Clipchamp runs smoothly, crashes disappear, and video editing is stable. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed Clipchamp crashing issues using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Microsoft Clipchamp keeps crashing on Windows 11 for good.